Hello mga katrops, we are here today in the other house again. Ito yung tinatawag mga katrops na Sogo sa ice. Yan yung pinadala sa napapasok yung bahay na to sa west side sa crossing. At check natin kung anong meron dito at kung magkano yung bahay. Alright, so dyan na kayo at anong bahala sa ito. Peace out! Let's go! Ito yung tinatawag na the Gen na mga katrops. Oh wow! Well, let's go check in the basement first. Hello. Hey. Oh yeah. Okay, I don't know do there. This is the basement. Wow. Yeah. So nice. Oh, there's another door here. Oh, this one is like a suit time. Ito mga katropoy dito pang paupahan kasi may separate entrance. So, here's over here. See? Ito yung pinakasala tapos kusina. Ay, yun nga, may kusina nga mga katrops. Yan. Oh, agad lahat to. See? Ito yung laundry. Let's check natin yung room. Ito yung first room. Yung washroom. At ito yung malaki-laki na room. Yes, Kathleen. Yeah, see? O, tingnan mo to. Maganda tong pagka-design na to kasi puro white to. Let's go! Mga katrops, ito na yung pinaka-main level. Tapos ito yung parang ano yata to, opisina. Yan. Then, ito naman yung washroom sa taas. At ito yung room. Ang kagandahan ito, parang open concept ito mga katrops. Yan. Ito yung pinakasala. Yeah. That's ang open concept nito. Hinan mo Ito yung may room pa rin dito. Hinan mo. Ito yata yung, yung master bedroom. Yan, ang galing. Kasi mayroon pang gano'n. Yung window na parang ang galing na pagkakuha. Check natin yung ito yung washroom. Hello. Yan. Ang galing na itong bahay na to. Yes. Tapos meron yung parang patio eh. Ayan, patio. Nice. Patio. Nice. Ito yung backyard mo mga katrops. Parking pad. Yaon. Very nice. So yun, ito na yung parang kitchen. How much, Mr. Secreto, how much this house again?
610.
610, oh.
2,500 square feet fully finished. Walkout basement as well with this.
Yeah, I saw it, I like it. Yeah, good for your business, eh? You can rent it out.
Exactly right.
Yeah. 610.
610.
Yes, I like it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mga katrobs, tingnan mo 610 yung 1,000 yung bahay pero pwede mo itong popahan sa ilalim eh. At saka nakatira yung sa taas, di ba? Yun. So hanggang dito na siguro yung unting vlog natin sa bahay na 610,000 Canadian dollars. At see you to the next one. Stay tuned and rock and roll.